In today's video, we'll show you a quick overview of your portfolio dashboard. Your portfolio dashboard lets you quickly check the pulse of every project. The first thing to note is that the dashboard runs on a traffic light system. Green means good, amber means warning, and red means blocker. In the top left-hand corner is your portfolio's overall health, which shows the health of all projects you have running in Matrak. Overall health is based on a blend of activity, data quality, and deadlines. Next to it on the right is your quality control, which is based on a blend of photos and QA checks. And it's important to take a pause and note that if you ever need details or further explanation, you can always click the Learn More button in the top right-hand corner, which will take you to Matrak's Knowledge Base and Help Center. Now scrolling down a little further, on the left is your Attention Required panel, which flags any high-risk projects in your portfolio, including associated data and users. And on the right is your Performing Well panel, which shows you all of the projects that are doing well and running to schedule. These two panels give you a singular view and quick snapshot of what projects are going well or need your attention. Scrolling just below that is where you can search and find all of your projects, perfect for big portfolios. You can type your project name or filter by health status or top issues to find what needs updating. Click on any project to bring up a project snapshot pop-up. This shows the overall progress of the project and lets you make updates directly, like assigning or reassigning project owners or updating start dates and deadlines to match your actual construction schedule. Right below the snapshot, you'll see a quick log of what's changed in the past month, items shipped, checks completed, and photos taken during QA or ITPs. At the bottom of your project snapshot are 3 buttons. Need fresh data? Click Follow Up to send a reminder email to the project owner. Turn Automated Tracking on to subscribe to real-time updates. If the project is done, click Mark as Complete, and this will release your item count. Now moving across to the Activity tab, this shows you active users and update counts for the past 30 days. The Quality tab tallies QA sign-offs, and the Throughput tab tracks items flowing through key stages, plus your weekly completion rate. To the right of your graph, there is also a timeline bar. This mini graph translates dates into colors: gray before start, green while live, and a red tick if the due date slips, so you can stay on top of your projects, no scrolling required. And that's the portfolio dashboard: health, risks, actions, and insights. Need help? Your Customer Success Manager is one click away. And don't forget, you can also bookmark this page, so anytime you want a quick snapshot of how your portfolio is tracking, you can jump right in and see.